friends, welcome again on my channel The Rich Post. Let's continue with my last video, Angular 9 and Laravel 2 data table user code operation. I have done in my frontend in Angular 9 and backend in Laravel 7.2. Today I am doing the first part of Angular Laravel code section for user management. First of all, now I will log in the user section. Great, user logged in fine. Now I will add the new user. Great. I have well done. Perfect. Now you can see the data is added successfully in my data tables. Now you can see that here is I have added the delete action. With this I will delete the selected user. Now I will going to delete the users are just great. User deleted fine, and you can see the data table is also refresh itself, and this is the brilliant thing. Great. Now I will add the last. Now I will delete the last user, and you will see there will be no data available text also available in this data table. Wow, absolutely fine. Fact. Here you can see this is working fine. And in my next post I will do the edit part. So stay in touch and please subscribe my YouTube channel. With this I get confidence. Thank you friend. Have a nice day. Stay home and stay healthy. Thanks.